If WhatsApp feels different lately, you're not imagining it. Because honestly, May 2026 has been one of the biggest months for WhatsApp updates in a long time. Meta has been adding new features focused on AI privacy customization and better chat management. In this video, I'll explain the most important WhatsApp changes from May 2026 and what they actually mean for everyday users. First, the new Meta AI improvements. Because WhatsApp is pushing AI much harder this year, Meta has started rolling out a dedicated AI section that helps centralize AI chat image generation voice conversations and AI history inside the app. And honestly, this shows that Meta wants AI to become a much bigger part of WhatsApp now. Another big change: private AI conversations, because Meta announced a new feature that allows users to chat with AI using enhanced privacy protections. The goal is to make AI conversations more private even when discussing sensitive topics. Now let's talk about customization, because WhatsApp is introducing more ways to personalize the app, including new theme, icon customization, additional stickers, and visual personalization options through new premium features. And honestly, this is something users have been requesting for years. Now another major update: WhatsApp Plus, because Meta recently announced an optional subscription plan called WhatsApp Plus. The subscription adds extra features such as more chat pins, premium stickers, exclusive themes, and additional customization tools, while regular messaging and calls remain free. Now let's talk about privacy, because WhatsApp continues adding stronger account protection tools. Meta recently highlighted new security settings designed to help reduce account takeover risks and cyber attacks. And honestly, with scams increasing every year, these updates are becoming more important. Now another noticeable change: group and community improvements, because WhatsApp keeps improving how large groups work. Recent updates focus on making conversations easier to manage while giving admins better control and organization tools. Now let's talk about channels, because WhatsApp is continuing to expand creator and broadcast features. Channels are becoming more interactive, with improvements designed to help users discover updates more easily without overwhelming their main chats. Now, something many users noticed: the new interface changes, because WhatsApp has been testing and gradually rolling out visual redesign, including parts of the new liquid glass style interface, although availability varies depending on account and region. And honestly, that's why some people already see the new design while others don't. Now, let's be honest for a second. The biggest trend in WhatsApp right now is clear. Meta is turning WhatsApp into more than just a messaging app, with the .ai tools, subscriptions, personalization, busyness, features, and expanded creator tools. And honestly, 2026 may end up being one of the biggest years in WhatsApp's history. So to wrap this up, the most important WhatsApp updates in May 2026 include Meta AI upgrades, private AI chats, new customization options, WhatsApp Plus subscriptions, stronger security settings, better group management, improved channels, and the gradual rollout of a redesigned interface. Because honestly, WhatsApp is changing much faster than most users realize.